Massively increasing material and energy costs, tougher environmental regulations, and increasing global competition is really creating a perfect storm of challenges for both product companies and the manufacturing sector. So to stay innovative and relevant in the market and maintain cost efficiency is getting harder every day. We've been there, and that's why we've invented z.trusion. Z.trusion is a new patented 3D manufacturing technology that realizes advanced product designs while ensuring cost efficiency required for mass production. In its simplest form, Z.trusion is an easy upgrade to existing extrusion lines. It requires minimal upfront investment and uses rotating elements directly in the pressurized zone of the extruder to create complex structures in various materials all in one single step. It's already rolled out in mass production and realizes a multitude of functionalities, so anything from lightweight structures, design elements, fixation, thermal management applications, better grip and feel, you name it. So, with minimum upfront investment, you can give your engineers completely new design possibilities, replace other more costly and energy demanding manufacturing technologies, and save material and carbon footprint. My name is Lovisa, I'm the commercial lead of z.trusion, and I'm really looking forward to meet you. Thank you.